Season 3, Episode 8, recorded in February 2020.
Hi, I'm Evan Lewis. This time I'm going to talk about welding a copper pipe into a flat sheet. If you were to just drill a hole through the flat sheet and put a pipe through it, there isn't a very good contact area for welding or soldering the joint. So what I've done is made a little tool for causing flaring of the hole to make a bigger area to join onto. So you can see these my test flares and checking the method out, and they've made about a 2.5 millimeter wide flare, which is ideal for welding or soldering onto. And if you run the weld or solder from this side, it tends to run down into the hollow and make a nice joint. So it will end up looking like that.
This device is called a bullet for obvious reasons, and I made a couple of different versions shown here. I started by drilling a hole 10 millimeters in diameter, but I needed a final hole of 15 millimeters in diameter, and that's why we ended up with a 2.5 millimeter flare on either side. The maximum diameter of the cone-shaped bullet is roughly 15 millimeters, and you need to experiment a little bit until you get just the right fit for the piece of tubing you have. I decided to make it so that the bullet passes right through the hole and comes out the other side, because it'll be much easier to get it out if you let it pass through like that. But it does mean you have to undo the chuck and drop the bullet out each time. So it makes a somewhat laborious process, but you get there, get it done. I don't have a press of any sort, but the drill press serves the purpose, and it doesn't take a lot of force to do this, so it's not going to do any damage to the drill press. The bottom part, or anvil, is really just a piece of pipe. I've turned it in the lathe actually and rounded off the inner edges to make it nice and curved, and it's about 20 millimeters in diameter, so there's plenty of room around the outside of the hole. Could have made it perhaps a little smaller, and it's polished, and there's a little step on the outside diameter to make sure that it stays stuck in the drill vise. I filed some flats in the sides to make it fit more neatly in the vise too. I tack welded the bottom and top parts together before drilling. I tried to just tape it together, but they wouldn't stay in place, so I put a spot of welding along the edges, just 2 spots like that, and to hold them in place while I put drills right through the whole thing so that all the holes line up. And I didn't want to do it the other way up, because if you make an error and you flip it over, you're going to double the error. So it's best to have it the right way around. Done. Doesn't look too bad. Wipe some of that ink off and look better. And the pipes will go through like so, and over here. That's alright.